The Ganga River, often referred to as the Ganges, is not just a river. It is a symbol of spirituality, culture, and life itself for millions of people in India and beyond. Flowing through northern India for over 2,500 kilometers, the Ganga is one of the most revered and important rivers in the world. In this article, we will delve into the significance, cultural importance, and environmental challenges facing this sacred river. Spiritual significance. The Ganga River holds immense spiritual significance in Hinduism, India's predominant religion. It is believed that the river originated from the matted locks of Lord Shiva, making it divine. Bathing in the Ganga is believed to cleanse one's sins and purify the soul, which is why millions of pilgrims visit its banks every year. The city of Varanasi, located on the Ganga's banks, is considered one of the holiest places in Hinduism, where cremations are performed and ashes are immersed in the river, marking the end of the deceased's journey and the start of their spiritual one. Cultural heritage. Beyond its religious importance, the Ganga River is deeply interwoven with the cultural heritage of India. It has inspired countless poets, writers, and artists throughout history. The river has been depicted in classical literature, such as the works of Kalidasa and Tulsidas, and it features prominently in Indian art and music. The Kumbh Mela, a massive religious gathering held every 12 years at different locations along the Ganga, is one of the largest human congregations on earth. Millions of pilgrims come to take a ritual bath in the river during this event, and it showcases the river's cultural importance and the unifying power of faith. Environmental challenges. While the Ganga River is revered for its spiritual and cultural significance, it faces numerous environmental challenges. Pollution, over-extraction of water, and industrial waste have severely degraded its water quality. Efforts to clean the river, such as the Namami Gange program launched by the Indian government, have made progress, but there is still much work to be done. One of the major contributors to the pollution of the Ganga is the discharge of untreated sewage and industrial effluents. This has led to high levels of contamination, impacting both human health and the river's aquatic ecosystem. Sustainable development and strict regulation of pollutants are crucial to ensure the Ganga's long-term health. The Ganga Dolphin, an endangered species, also faces threats due to habitat degradation and poaching. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique creatures and the entire ecosystem of the river. The Ganga River is not just a geographical entity, it is the lifeblood of India's spiritual and cultural heritage. Its significance transcends religious boundaries and resonates with people of all walks of life. However, the challenges it faces, particularly in terms of pollution and environmental degradation, require urgent attention and concerted efforts. Efforts to clean and protect the Ganga are not just about preserving a natural resource, they are about safeguarding a symbol of faith, culture, and the very essence of India. It is only through sustainable practices, strict regulations, and a collective commitment to its preservation that the Ganga can continue to flow as a sacred river for generations to come.